Dear bullies, what you did to me happened over 10 years ago, but I never said anything to you. You never got to know that the things you did and said to me made me depressed, even suicidal. I don't know how any person would react if they got to know somebody wants to end their life because of them. Or even worse, live with that if it actually happens. Well, I'm still here, so you'll never have to deal with that. But this is not me being mad, or finally releasing all the built-up anger that I used to have inside of me. This is me saying thank you.
I am strong, I am proud, I am beautiful. Hey guys, holy crap! I am one of the top 20 finalists in NYX FACE AWARDS BALTICS 2019. Oh my god, I'm so happy, and once again I want to say big thank you to my super fans Amuna squad. Thank you so much. This is for us. I'm gonna show you how to go from this to this. Let's start this video, honey. For sketching out all the lines and my tiger's head, I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in shade Brunch Me. When I have my lines outlined, I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup First Base Primer Spray and just spray it all over my body and also bald cap. The first color that I'm taking is NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White, and I'm activating this body paint with body oil, and I'm gonna take it to my chin. So I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Yellow. Then again I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White. This white color I'm gonna put everywhere where it's gonna be my highlights for the tiger's head. Then I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Yellow. I'm gonna create the dimension with this color that goes from white to yellow to orange to red and violet.
Every day I got a light one, yeah. Never not dated a tight one, yeah. No, I keep it 100.
Then I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Orange.
35 can't play, get a bag on ya. Never with the games, put a tag on ya. I ain't getting lit cause my future too bright. Joey hit me up.
Now for darker shade I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Red, and with this I'm gonna create a little more dimension also, like creating darker shadowing. And for the darker shade I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Purple. Now I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Green, and I'm gonna put that on the free edges. But there is no rules for colors, you can just play around and check how you like it. Now I'm gonna take NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade blue and white, and I'm mixing them together to create this light blue color, and I'm going just over to create this really cool texture. Now I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup SFX Set Loose Setting Powder, and I'm going all over the body paint. So now I'm using NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in shade Bright to create more dimensions in colors. To fill in the nose, I'm taking again NYX Professional Makeup Suede Matte Lip Liner in shade Brunch Me, and this is perfect shade for nose color. And to set that, I'm using again NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in shade Bright, and I'm taking this pinkish color. I'm just going all over the nose that I just fill in with the liner. Now I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point eyeliner in shade Hella Fine, and I'm gonna draw out dimension for nose. And with the same liner, I'm creating mouth. And now I'm using NYX Professional Eyeshadow Base in shade Black to fill in my lips. And to set this eyeshadow base, I'm taking NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this black color. For eyes, I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade Yellow. So I'm taking this body paint on the small detail brush, and I'm just putting it in the circle. Then I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup Swear By It eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking color yellow, this one, and setting the body paint. Then I'm taking again NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point eyeliner in shade Hella Fine. Then I'm taking a small detail brush and NYX Professional Makeup Swear By It eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this more orange with brown colors and creating more dimension in my tiger eye. And now I'm taking NYX White Liquid Liner, and with this liner I'm gonna create white dots, like a reflection from the light. Now I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point eyeliner in shade Quite the Bender, and with this I'm gonna fill out all the black for the eyes. Now I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup eyeshadow base in shade White and going under the black. And I'm gonna set that with NYX Swear By It eyeshadow palette with this banana shade. Now I'm taking again my NYX Professional Makeup That's the Point Hella Fine eyeliner, and I'm gonna create a black line around the eye. I'm taking NYX SFX Face and Body Paint in shade White, and I'm gonna do a little bit highlight for my nose, and with the same detail brush, just blend it out. Again, I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup Sphere by 8 eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking this dark orange reddish color, and with this color I'm gonna go really light on my tiger cheeks. So I think today's the best item is NYX Professional Makeup. That's the point, Hello Fine eyeliner, because I'm that using again now to create these black stripes, lines for tiger's cheek. It's official, this eyeliner is my favorite eyeliner. So and now I'm gonna create more like this kind of like tiger hieroglyphs. So the face is almost ready, and now I'm gonna use NYX SFX Face and Body Paints in shades yellow, green, red, orange, purple and blue to create a rainbow body. To be doing things that I don't really love. Only light I had was coming from the sun, but now I'm shining on a cloudy day. And it don't matter what you say. So when the body paint is finished, I'm taking NYX SFX Set Loose Powder and going all over the body paint. And now I'm gonna take my today's video favorite eyeliner, which is NYX Professional Makeup, that's the point, Hello Fine eyeliner. And with this I'm gonna create this kind of like tiger hair. Every day I got a light one, yeah. Never not dated a tight one, yeah. No, I keep it 100 every time I come in trouble. No, we coming with the right ones, yeah. 35 can't play, get it. And now I'm using NYX Professional Makeup Vivid Brights Colored Liquid Liners in lots of different shades. And I'm gonna create more colorful dimensions. So, oh my god guys, we're almost finished, and now one of my favorite parts, which is the tiger's hair. To put on tiger's hair, or how do you call it? I'm taking spirit gum, and I'm putting spirit gum on this part, and then I'm tapping it till it goes sticky, and I'm applying it here. And now the last thing that I'm gonna do is I'm taking NYX Professional Makeup White Liquid Liner and gonna create mustache. And that's it! Oh my god, you guys, I'm finished with my NYX Face Awards Baltics 2019 Top 20 First Challenge look. And yeah, my rainbow tiger. Oh my god, this makeup took me more than 10 freaking hours. Am I crazy? I am. And some people ask me, Amuna, how do you take off that all makeup? It's really easy. So this makeup I'm gonna take off with NYX Professional Makeup Be Gone Makeup Removal Wipes, and with NYX Professional Makeup Stripped Off Wiped Cleanser Cleansing Salt Scrub. And yeah, so I'm gonna take off my makeup with these products. I want to say big thank you so much Amuna Squad, and thank you so much NYX Professional Makeup for creating this amazing competition. I hope you like my look, and I hope you like this video. And remember, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and become my Amuna Squad. And please give me thumbs up and feel free to contact me. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Heyo! And remember, be who you want to be and stay safe.